come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, that's a big hobby. Subscribe to me just bingo in a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi. This is DeFi Bully. Today we're gonna be talking about Piston token and how it's been going parabolic. Yo, the price of Piston has been on a steady rise. I barely seen any dips. I seen a dip for like 20 cents one day, like last week, and just up from there. Like it doesn't go down. I think this might be one of the most sustainable, newest, biggest, with the most amount of growth daily ROI dapps out there. Now, before I go deeper into this and a walkthrough and how to get started and all of that, please go over to the DeFi Bully YouTube page. Hit that notification bell because I bring that content and you don't want to miss out. This is DeFi, it's time sensitive. Hit that subscribe button and like this video. So let's dive right into it. Now, with the Piston token, like I said, the price has been going on a steady rise. Now, the cool thing about the Piston token, there's been a lot of updates and things that changed and all these other things. I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough. Now, this is built on a Binance Smart Chain, has a total supply of 1 million Piston token. There's 10% tax on buys and sells, okay? All right. Now, you could waive some of those by buying directly from this site, okay? Now, and it's pretty much a max payout of 365%. You earn 1% daily, and you could use compounding interest with this, which is the 8th wonder of the world. Compounding interest. So the money that you gain daily, you could compound it back to your deposits, and it could grow how much you make the next day. Pretty much, just to keep it short and sweet. Now, like I said, from the swap, and if you're looking to get into this yourself, let me check. Is this camera on me? Let me just make sure if these cameras is on me, people. Sorry about that. Okay. All right. I'm not in the way. All right. So if you guys wanted to buy in, you could utilize paying with BUSD. Okay. From the site, you could go right here to swap and you could just add BUSD, which is Binance US dollars pegged to the US dollar. You just make sure you put BUSD into your MetaMask wallet. Or you could transfer an existing BNB coin or whatever to BUSD, and then it'll show up right here. You'll put how much you want to add, and then you just swap it right here. You just press swap, and it'll buy. I only got $6 worth. I'm just show you guys live. Then you could buy Piston tokens, pretty much. We just do a live buy. That was only $6 worth. And it says your swap was successful. Now, if you want to join the race is where you actually stake your tokens. Now, once you stake your tokens, you cannot withdraw. You cannot withdraw the tokens that you stake, people. You only can withdraw the rewards that it pay, and it pays at 1% daily of your investment. Now, it also increases based on the value of the coin. And as I said, the coin's value has been on a steady rise. So now it's at $20. It did dip all the way to $7 after launch, and it's been rising ever since. Okay, I still think it's very early. There's chances that this coin could go way higher than you guys could imagine. Okay, we seen what happened to Drip. We seen what happened with other platforms like this. This is just more one of the innovative ones. Now you could change your pictures, and I believe they have car NFTs and these things coming out in the near future. No, actually, I believe you could get it now. Go here, view your card. Okay. Now you could level up to get different ones. And the more you level up, the more downlines you could have. So you could have people actually join your team. And if you guys wanted to join my team, the way to do that is once you buy your tokens on a swap, you go right here to deposit under the race, and then you enter how many you want to deposit. They have a minimum of 1. Okay, so I can't really deposit that right now. But once you have at least 1 token, you could deposit and you'll join the race. Now, once you're in the race, they got this cool interface right here. Kind of looks like a car's dashboard, you know. So right now I have 72.7566 tokens in my gas tank. Once the gas tank fills up, I will either have to claim it and reinvest, or I will have to add new funds into it. And once the available fuel is filled up, that means you could either press nitro, which compounds it to this, or you could claim, which adds it back to which actually gives you piston tokens outside of your wallet. I mean, outside of the race. Okay, then you could sell that for BUSD and so forth. Now, what I'm gonna do something special. Anybody that joins my team with at least, I don't know, at least 25 tokens, I'll airdrop you 1 token. Okay, and as the team grows bigger, I'll start to do different things like that. And just for argument's sake and for video's sake, I believe I have 1 person on my team. What I'm gonna do is, I don't want to claim. I don't want to claim, people. I don't want to claim. All right, let me see if I could think of something better instead of claiming. All right, well, scratch that, people. I got so much faith in Piston. I'm not going to claim right now. I just want to compound. But I do want to show you guys a quick overview of how you could do, how this airdrop system works. Now, if you press right here at the eyeball on my pit crew, because they call your team members your crew or your pit crew, just like a race, just like a rally race or derby race. What do they call those races? Yeah. You know, I'm talking about the NASCAR races. You got your pit crew and all of that. Now, someone, my team member, Trini Big Nuts. I don't know what kind of name that is, but I'll show you guys right here. Once people are on my team, he does have 14 tokens deposited. He doesn't quite have the 25, but I'll still send him something. I'm going to send him that 0.3 tokens that's in my wallet. So shout out to yourself, Trini Big Nuts. Shout out. And then, easy as that. Those tokens were sent to him. And that's 0.3 of a token. So if the token's at $20, you guys do the math. 0.307 piston. Okay. And then it said it's sent to him, and it should be in his wallet or into his deposits, I believe. Okay, and I would do that for everybody that joins my team. Like I said, if you join with at least 25 tokens, I'll send you 1 token at least for the rest of this month. This is my birthday month, so I'm feeling generous. Let's get it. That was my first airdrop sent out. I only have one team member. My upline is Big Dripper. She's actually part of the Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. She's actually an admin in there and actually a YouTuber. So check her channel out. Her channel name is the letter D, Dripper. You could check that out on YouTube. She's very informative. I mean, I got a lot of respect for her. She's cool as hell. And not a lot of females, not a lot of women in DeFi doing this. So you gotta definitely respect someone that could bring that different type of energy into the field. So as I continue, it could show let me just make sure I got everything. Okay, I could go right here to airdrop, and it says my sent airdrop. They did take a little bit of fee, but my sent airdrop is there. My received is that. So I believe I did receive these from Big Dripper. So shout out yourself, Dripper, for giving me the airdrop. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, sis. All right. So that's Piston. I'm very bullish on Piston. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I do want to show you guys. You see right here, my available fuel is actually like red. If you look at this, it says available fuel. I thought it would tell me. It says to begin. Why is this red? To begin, everything is fine. This just tells you that it's been more than 24 hours since you last used Nitro. Nitro is the system's way, or this protocol's way of saying compound. Just like baked beans uses rebake or whatever the case is. Drip uses hydrate. Okay, if you use Nitro at least once a day, you can fill your gas tank to reach the finish line. 50,000 piston tokens much more efficiently. Okay, so 50,000 piston tokens is the finish line. So let's compound. Let's hit that nitro button because we're gonna hit that. We're gonna reach that finish line fast, people. Let's hit that nitro button. And if you look closely, you see it says 29 BUSD, which is $29, and that's 1.39 piston tokens. Okay. Now, as I press that, my available balance, you're gonna see my available drip tokens actually increase, and my 72.75 worth of piston tokens, 72.75 piston tokens is worth 1,516 US dollars or BUSD, same difference. So as I press this nitro, you're gonna see that actually increase. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that, people. And this is such a nice protocol. Comment down below how much you guys got in your gas tank, how many piston tokens you have. I'm not trying to be too nosy. I just want to, interact with you guys. See, nitro injected. It got a cool little, what do they call this? They got a cool thing going on here, automation. And as you see, it increased. Now I have $1,544. Okay, and I have 74.11 piston tokens now. And as you see, it restarted this, and now I will be gaining $15.44 a day at the current rate. But as the token price goes up, or as the token price appreciates, so will my amount of money for my amount of piston tokens increase. So my daily rewards would be more. Okay, so right now piston tokens at $20. So for example, if piston token shoots to $40 tomorrow, this would double. My 1,500 would be around $3,088, and then that would pay me $30 a day, because 3% of 3,000, 1% of 3,000 is actually $30. Okay, you guys feeling me? You guys following? Pretty simple math here, people. 1% daily. Right now I got $1,544 worth of piston token, so I would be receiving $15 a day. Let's go. Let's join the team. Like the video. Links will be down below. If you guys getting stuck or you have any questions, feel free to write the comment down below. I'll help you out. Or go to my Telegram group. Link will be down below. Bullpen Millionaires. Okay. I would do one-on-ones with you guys, or I'm pretty sure D Dripper, Big D Dripper, she will be in the group to help you guys out as well. We're just here to help each other and to make it, and just to race our way to financial freedom. So make sure you hit that nitro button, and right after you hit that nitro button, hit that like button. Oh my God, I'm making money already. I made 2 cents. Let's go. All right, blessings, people. I don't want to hold up too much of your time. I want to keep this one nice, short, and sweet. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This DeFi is risky. These things aren't promised. But right now, I'm very bullish on this one. Yes, stay safe, people. I'm out.